Hello everyone and welcome back to today's morning report on Thursday the 21st of May with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Tech Markets. My final chart of the day is gold, and this gold chart had this big correction that sort of really maintains this big range that we've been in. It couldn't really quite gather the breakout level. And it's very similar, I suppose, in a way to the fact to what happened on the flip side of that, on the bottom, where we had an attempted sort of breakdown from the range in early May, and then we sort of closed around the lows of the range. Similar sort of story. We saw the close around the high of the range and then flipped it round with a sharp downside candle. I think the fact that we've had this break back below the initial support at 12.1080, I think just suggests to me that this is just a continuation of this range, and I think the chances are we're going to now pull back towards the middle of the range at 1200, which was sort of reaction high and also a bit of a pivot level on the intraday chart, but momentum indicators all rolling over again, stochastics falling away. A couple of candles in a row that have been basically just consolidation candles, no real conviction behind the trading. Let's look at the hourly chart. You can see that this sort of consolidation we've had in the last day or so. And you could also see that here that this is the 12.1080 support that we've broken back below. Never really been able to get back above it. I mean, you've got the initial, spike high at 12.1340 on that, and that comes in as the resistance initially. But look at these momentum indicators, just basically unwinding back to a level at which the that would be considered to be neutral again. So I think that just suggests that we're probably going to put pressure back on the lows around the 1200 mid-figure area of that chart. And if I just zoom out slightly here, you can see that that does play a bit of a near-term range, near-term pivot, 1200 big figure. And I just think that this is just a part of the whole process of coming back towards the middle of the range once again, and the continuation of this range, and the fact that you could even argue that is some sort of a top pattern, but I wouldn't like to suggest that it was. But certainly the break below that initial support at 12.1080 I think is the big move, which would suggest that we are coming back towards the middle of the range once more. So I'd be using sort of rallies in this gold chart as a chance to sell now. I think the chances are we're going to see a lower high posted once again, and then the price rolling back over once more. So I wish you good luck in your trading on gold today, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Thanks.